G'day everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's John here from Old Mate Moto. Today we've got another couple of unboxings to do and a couple of mods on the 890 Adventure behind me. So let's have a look what we got. We got some bar risers from Nice CNC. Let's hope that these are pretty good. I've heard they're okay, they're pretty strong, they feel heavy. So let's have a look at these. We'll open her up. I got the gold orange ones, whatever you want to call it, and I'll tell you what, they look pretty good. They look exactly like that, so hopefully you can see them. Quality of them feels really nice. They're quite weighty, so we've got those, two of those obviously, and yeah, they feel good. I think these are the 28mm bar risers from Nice CNC. Let's do the bar risers first. So let's have a go. All right, perfect. All right, we've changed positions. Let's have a go at taking off the nuts on here. You'll need, I don't even know what these ones are called, but you'll need that type there. I don't know. Everyone who's got a KTM, they'll know what kind of bolts these are, but it's not a normal hexagon shaped one. If anyone knows what these are called, mention them in the comments for other people. I don't even know what size it is, but anyway, I know it fits because I had a bit of a play around before. I've never done this before, so this is the first time for me as well. Looking at the manual, you do need some Loctite in all these. Now, if anyone notices me doing anything wrong, please let me know. I know the torque is meant to be 43 Newton meters. One of these was loose when I would loosen them up, so I'm just going to do them as tight as I feel is 43 Newton meters, because I don't have a torque wrench. So hopefully that'll work. It's worked for me in previous times. So the reason why I have decided to go this way is because when I'm standing up, I was leaning over too much and it was fairly uncomfortable. So I thought I'll give these a go. Okay, so we'll just put the handlebars up here. Now we've got another one of these. I'm hoping that this will fit in there as well, which it does. So let's give this a go. Whew. So welcome back, and with the magic of television, I've got the handlebars off. This one here, you may or may not be able to see, was an absolute bugger. I think the Loctite in there had really got grippy of it. But basically, we've taken the handlebars off. We can now take the original bar extenders, or whatever you want to call them, off of there. They're all loose, so we'll get them off. I've had to use a tap to get this one out because the bit I had in there threaded the top of the nut out, or sorry, nut. I'm getting my screws and my nuts mixed up. The screw, bolt, whatever you want to call it. So I tapped it out, came out perfectly. I'll just give that a wipe. I'll be back. All right, just give this a wipe, give it a clean. I'll straighten these wheels up a little bit, these handlebars. Rightio. So, what we've got here are our new extenders from Nice CNC. So let's whack them on first. They look like, yes, so the smaller bit, they're a bit off-centered. So the smaller bit went in there, up the top, sorry. I'm just going to put them in really light because I'm going to stick some Loctite in there. So we'll just get these all ready. I'll just grab my Loctite. Here it is. We'll just put a little bit on each thread and start winding them in. And don't go berserk with your Loctite because you might want to adjust these later. Right, luckily we've got this big Allen key, so we'll just start winding in, eh? Make sure everything's centered, check and double check. We'll just get this in finger tight, then work on the other one. Once again, never done these before, so you're learning with me, or if you've got any tips, pass them on. There's actually, you can't go wrong. There's actually a little recess there that it sits on, so it will center itself, which is nice. So let's get cranking this bolt in. So I reckon that's about 43 Newton meters. $43? Yeah, I reckon we'll be pretty close. I've done that as tight as I can. Yeah, okay. All right, so we've got that bit. So now we need to put our handlebars in here again. So let's get this ready. Now I'm going to put a tiny bit of Loctite on here as well when I start clamping down. Let me know if it's not a thing. They came out really nice. In fact, they were loose. So let's try and center these again. I might have to take, yeah. So what we'll do is I'll take these off. I did double check to make sure that they were the right size. So let's just get that in. Okay, it should sit in there nicely. Perfect, look at that. I'm going to put them exactly where they were. This will go over the top. We'll get our other bolt and we'll stick that on there as well. And I'll chuck a little bit of Loctite on there. Just want to make sure that's nice and centered. We'll just use the T and the KTM. And I'm glad this time it's not a one of those funny hex head things. Oh, if anyone knows what they're called, yeah, let me know. I don't know. This time we've just got some nice 10 mil bolts on there. Actually, what I was going to do wasn't I was going to put some Loctite in there, just a drop. Just a drop there as well. A trusty 10 mil. We won't do them up so tight so that we do some adjustments. Righto, they're loose. Let's just make sure that looks pretty central to me. Make sure they're adjusted to how you want it. It's probably best you sit on your bike and test it that way. I actually had to go up a fair bit. I think that's pretty central. I reckon they were about there looking at the mirrors because I haven't touched the mirrors. I feel comfortable with that. I'll tighten them up and then I'll check them standing up. I must say that feels a hell of a lot better. There's a restart your recording. Oh, let's edit it out. It's all been recorded though. Hey! Well, welcome back. That was exciting, wasn't it? I might put that in the movie. That was my dogs and my son and my wife taking the dogs for a walk, and they were going berserk. So anyway, this is where we're at. So we've tightened it up. 43 Newton meters for those two in there. And just as tight as I could get them without going too berserk on these two. Loctite on all of them. I just prefer it just in case, you know, you're adventuring, you're on dirt, you're rattling around, whatever. But I think they look all right. It's not a bad product from Nice CNC. Yeah, pretty good. Any questions on that? Yeah, drop us a line. Did I do it correctly? Did I do it wrong? Did I make a mistake? Should have I done something different? Let me know. I'm always happy to reply to comments. So yeah, I think they're right. You can get these in all sorts of colours, and they do fit the Husky as well. So you can get in blue, black, silver, orange. So once again, they're supposed to be fitted for these bikes and the years. And once I got the bolt out of the original one, it went really smooth. So pretty happy with that. So yeah, nice CNC 28mm bar risers for the 890 KTM Adventure. This is a 21 model, I think. So fits well. Thumbs up to nice CNC. Well done. Good stuff. All right. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this content. Once again, as I say, this is what I do now. It fills in my time being a retired veteran. So yeah, I'm going to be going out with the mates in the next couple of days. We'll go up to the River Murray and we'll see what we can find up there. Go up there for lunch at a pub. So come join us. I'm probably going to take this bike, test out the risers. So yeah, give us a like, give us a subscribe, make any comments you want. Did I do wrong, right, good, bad, whatever? Anyway, all right guys, catch you on the next one. Adios.